Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of luxury sports cars with the 2026 Porsche Turbo S 992. This isn't just any car, it's a perfect fusion of heritage, innovation, and raw performance. Every curve, every feature, and every sound of this machine has been engineered to thrill. So buckle up, because this is going to be an exciting ride. Exterior. The 2026 Porsche Turbo S 992 is instantly recognizable with its timeless Porsche silhouette. Its aerodynamic design isn't just for aesthetics, it improves high-speed stability and handling precision. At the front, sharp LED headlights cut through the night, paired with an aggressive wide grille that enhances airflow to the engine. The sculpted hood and flowing side lines emphasize speed even while standing still. Move to the rear and you'll notice the active spoiler and quad exhaust tips, a signature look that hints at the massive power under the hood. The wide body stance and large alloy wheels give it a muscular presence, while subtle design tweaks make it more refined than ever. Whether parked in a showroom or tearing down the highway, this car commands attention. Interior. Step inside the 2026 Porsche Turbo S 992 and you're immediately surrounded by luxury. The interior perfectly blends modern technology with traditional craftsmanship. Premium leather wraps the seats, steering wheel, and dashboard, with intricate stitching that adds elegance. The driver-focused cockpit ensures that all controls are within easy reach, making it effortless to switch between driving modes or check performance stats. Sport seats provide excellent lateral support, whether you're cruising through the city or attacking a twisty road. Ambient lighting sets the perfect mood, while minimalist design keeps the focus on the driving experience. The interior isn't just luxurious, it's built to make every journey feel special. Features. The 2026 Porsche Turbo S 992 comes loaded with features designed to enhance convenience and comfort. Its large touchscreen infotainment system is intuitive and responsive, offering navigation, music, and connectivity options at your fingertips. Customizable digital displays allow drivers to monitor everything from turbo boost levels to lap times, giving a true performance-focused experience. Advanced climate control ensures comfort in any weather, while premium audio delivers crisp sound that makes every track come alive. Smart storage solutions and wireless charging add practicality, proving that this car is not just about speed, it's about everyday usability too. Performance. Performance is where the 2026 Porsche Turbo S 992 truly shines. Under the hood, a twin-turbocharged engine delivers astonishing power, capable of sending the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The all-wheel drive system provides incredible traction, making even aggressive cornering feel smooth and controlled. The suspension is precision-tuned to offer the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether navigating city streets or high-speed highways, every movement is precise. The steering is sharp, the brakes are responsive, and the engine roar adds a visceral thrill that reminds you just how special this car is. Technology. The 2026 Porsche Turbo S 992 integrates modern technology seamlessly into its classic sports car DNA. Adaptive cruise control, performance monitoring systems, and advanced navigation come standard. Digital interfaces allow effortless control of driving modes, suspension settings, and infotainment. Even the smallest details, like real-time performance feedback and customizable driver displays, make the driving experience more engaging. This car proves that cutting-edge technology can coexist perfectly with thrilling driving dynamics. Safety. Safety is a top priority in the 2026 Porsche Turbo S 992. Multiple airbags, electronic stability control, and advanced braking systems ensure maximum protection. Driver assist features such as lane keeping assist, collision warning, and parking sensors provide extra confidence on every journey. This car shows that performance and safety don't have to compromise each other. Conclusion. The 2026 Porsche Turbo S 992 is more than just a sports car, it's a statement. It combines iconic design, mind-blowing performance, luxurious interiors, and cutting-edge technology into one perfect package. Every drive feels exhilarating, every detail impresses, and every moment spent behind the wheel is unforgettable. If you love cars that deliver speed, style, and sophistication, the 2026 Porsche Turbo S 992 is truly a masterpiece. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more amazing car reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below.